Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find security and biometrics. Let's tap on it. In the device security section on the second position, we've got fingerprint, so let's tap on it. And this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint. Here we have to choose an additional screen lock. So we can choose the pattern, pen or password, and it is very important. You have to do it because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So let me pick the pattern, for example. And let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here we've got the notifications option, so here we can decide what kind of notification content will be shown on the lock screen. So we can show all the notification content or don't show notifications at all. So I will pick this option. Just make sure that the option you would like to use is marked like here and tap on done. Now we have to add the fingerprint. And your device is telling you that you will have to find the sensor, which is located on the back of our device. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, I have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. And try to move your finger in order to catch every corner. Of course, for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. Here we can rename it if you want to. If not, just tap on done. We've just been transferred to the fingerprint settings. As you can see, we've got one fingerprint added. We can add maximum 5. So if you want to, just tap on add fingerprint and you will have to go through the whole operation again. You can tap on the fingerprint you added, you can remove it from this level, or you can rename it. So let me rename it, for example, and let's get back. And as you can see, it immediately changes. Here you've got the verify fingerprint. So this is the option which works like a test. So if you've got a lot of fingerprints added and you would like to check particular ones, you have to tap on it and you will be able to check. Here you will have the list of all fingerprints, and if you will put the finger on the sensor, your device will highlight the fingerprint you just put on it. So it's quite useful, it's quite cool. So under it you've got also the fingerprint functions, so you can unlock the device, which is defaultly turned on. Of course you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, or you can set the fingerprint as a lock for apps, so you can unlock apps with that. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. I will leave it like this. So actually this is it, and let's check if it is working. Let's lock our device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, we will be able to unlock our device also with the pattern we set. So actually that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint to your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.